Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to show what game you are playing in Discord server. First, you need to go to the Discord, then you have to go to the user settings. Click on user settings, then you have to go to the activity privacy. Click on activity privacy, and then you have to make sure that share your detected activities with others is on. After that, you have to go to the registered games. After going to registered games, you have to add your registered game here, whatever you want. For now, I am adding one thing. That's how people will get what you are playing now. Then press escape, and you can see that people can see that what you are playing now. First, we need to make a call. In call, you can share your stream here. By sharing your stream, you just have to click go live, and that's how you can stream what you want to stream. First, first you need to make sure that your application which you are streaming must be on in the background, so that's only shown into the screen while streaming. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then please make sure to like and share this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.